In today's business studies class, we are going to discuss the point that is related with the journal insurance, the different types of journal insurance. It is related with the chapter number 4, business services. So, in generally actually the insurance is having two types. That is the life insurance, and the all other insurance comes under the general insurance. Life insurance generally taken for the life of the person, and that's a insurance of assurance. But here in the general insurance is a contract of indemnity, only the contract of indemnity. So here we are discussing about the fire insurance. As I written here, it protect under against the fire losses. So this policy is taken up for those things which can be damaged, by the fire. So the reason must be actually the fire. Fire insurance मिलने के लिए या लेने के लिए हमें reason क्या चाहिए? The goods have been lost by fire, only that time we will get the payment of the fire insurance. The next one is the marine insurance. Marine insurance, it means the protection. It provides protection against the sea peril. So when the goods go through the sea voyage, that time we would have the different types of perils in the ship, in the sea. हमें रॉक वगैरह या स्ट्रॉम या कोई भी रीजन हो सकता है. Ship can be damaged. The cargo that has been loaded on the ship can also be damaged. So this facility has been provided with the help of this marine insurance. It reduces the risk under the sea when the goods have been gone through the sea. Now if we discuss about the different type of marine insurance policy. First one is the cargo insurance. Now what is cargo insurance? It is cargo is known as the goods have been loaded on the ship. So whosoever is the owner of the goods, this policy will be taken up by those. So it provides us the protection. If the goods damaged in the way and the goods have not been reached at the final destination, so definitely हमें जो है उसका शिप का इंश्योरेंस, कार्गो का इंश्योरेंस जो है, जो गुड्स आपकी लोडेड है, so we will receive the insurance of that cargo under the cargo insurance. The second one is hull insurance. For the hull insurance, we know that the hull is known as the body of the ship. The whole structure of the ship has been insured under this hull insurance. So who will take? The owner of the ship will take this hull insurance. So the body of the ship and the total equipments, tools of the ship are insured under this hull insurance. So this is taken up by the owner of the ship because the rocks can damage the ship actually. Now next one is the freight insurance. Freight insurance, that means the freight, that if the goods have not been reached at the final destination, if the goods आपकी जो सामान आपने जहाँ सोचा था वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचा है और रास्ते में कहीं डैमेज हो गया, तो आपको उसके फ्रेट की, उसके भाड़े की कीमत मिलेगी नहीं. द ओनर ऑफ द गुड्स विल नॉट मेक यू एनी पेनी, क्योंकि आपकी गुड्स वहाँ पहुँची ही नहीं जहाँ आपको पहुँचानी है. सो you will not make any payment for the goods. So this freight insurance provide us the safety that we can receive the payment of the freight under this freight insurance.